Hey, welcome to T's Journey, and today I'm going to be experimenting with the Bentonite clay mask for your hair and your face. And I've seen so many YouTubers do this, and I wanted to try it out because I have three girls and we're all natural. So I thought this would be a good way to cleanse our hair and hoping that it works. So if you're interested in seeing how this bentonite clay mask helps my hair, stay tuned. Okay, this is the one that I have. I don't have the Indian Aztec one, but I got this one. Um, it's 100% pure Indian healing clay, 16 ounces. And it says it's hypoallergenic, chemical free. It's natural, gentle. It's for sensitive skin. It detoxifies the skin, leaving it clear with smaller pores. So it's also for your face. It also helps heal and regenerate skin tissue, improving scars and diminishing wrinkles, making it feel rejuvenated. Okay, and it also gives you healthy looking, touchable, soft hair as it clarifies. So we are going to give this a try. This says that you can use apple cider vinegar or water. You mix it until smooth and don't use a metal bowl or metal utensils. Okay, so for my hair it says you can allow it to dry to 15 to 20 minutes. I may do it a little longer, but yes, so I'm going to see what this does to my hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. And I guess we're going to use 1 part clay. And I think I'm going to make mine a little thinner. You know, I have daughters, so if I make too much, I can always use it on them. And just some pure apple cider vinegar. And we're going to stir with our plastic utensil. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It stinks. Ugh, I hate that smell. But this is what it's looking like so far. And I wanted to make mine a little thinner. I guess this is because I wanted to really penetrate my hair. I got a whole lot of hair. And I really don't do a whole lot to my hair. But I am going to try this. Alright, so let's get ready to apply. Okay, so this is me with my bun. I've had it up for over a week. I had it in a twist out for 2 weeks. So yes, I am a lazy natural. I do not like doing a whole lot to my hair, especially when I get itchy fingers and I want to cut it or color it. I'll just throw it up in a bun, and this works for me. So let's see what this bun is looking like. I'm sure it is. It's dry. Yes. Very tangly. So hoping that this clay will do what it says. And I'm going to section it off. You know, of course, if you're natural, you know, sectioning off your hair, especially if you have long natural hair, is vital to helping you keep control of the situation. I really do ought to be ashamed of myself, but I get like this and I just prefer to put it up before I start over manipulating it and causing a lot of breakage. I noticed that this clay works a lot better when you wet your hair as you go. It's a great detangler because, again, my hair was up for over a week. It was in a twist out, and I had not touched it as far as combing it or detangling it. So it was really matted. And this clay did a good job with helping me to detangle and to get in where the matted places were. So it was a great detangler. And as you can see, I hope you can see it, my curls are beginning to form. You see, it was really good at detangling, especially at the roots where my hair mats the most, up in the root area. And I did have a single strand knot. I know, I just pull my single strand knots off. You may not want to do this, but I do it. I just have too much hair. Mm. All right, this is one half of my hair done. It is really defining my curls. The longer I let it sit, the more defined my curls are. So I'm really enjoying it so far. Okay, so this is really, really working out well, and I am going to jump in the shower after I do the rest of my hair, of course. Alright, so this is my hair after I got out the shower. No product. It's very soft, super defined. The curls are really, really defined. And I am really, really liking this Bentonite clay wash. So I give it a 2 thumbs up, and I really would recommend this. I think I'm going to replace this with my shampoo because I shampoo once a month, co-wash twice a month. And I just like the way that this makes my hair feel and the curls pop. So yes, it will be put into my once a month regularly regimen for washing my hair. And I'm going to follow up with a deep conditioners, shea moistures, anti-breakage strengthening mask with baobab, baobab oil and cilantro extract. I will be deep conditioning, even though it's soft. I will be deep conditioning, and I am going to try this product. I seen Marianne Hampton try this product, 100% natural hair relaxer. Um, I'm not scared of heat. I am that natural that I am not scared of heat. I will blow dry my hair. I blow dry my hair a lot. And that's because my hair tangles. So maybe with this bentonite clay wash, I won't have to blow dry it a lot, but I do. I blow dry it a lot, but I do not flat iron a lot. But I'm not scared of heat. So I will be blow drying and flat ironing this time because I really want to try this product to see how it works, because sometimes I do like to wear my hair straight. It's not often, but I do like to wear it. So I will make a video with my first impressions of this product. But for now, I'm really enjoying the Bentonite clay mask. I'm probably going to use it on my face as well and see how I like it. I didn't know about the apple cider vinegar being on my face because I have really sensitive skin. But for the hair, it is an A+. So until my next video, take care everyone.